Hey folks, Internet Dude here, back with another Lada Niva video. I'm probably jumping around a little bit here, but just for my own organization's sake in the shop, what I want to do next with the Niva is to get the wheels and tires situation kind of sorted. So, not sure if you can tell, but that tire's flat, that tire's flat. If I come around to the other side, that tire holds air, and the other tire's flat. So basically I was trying to get some tires, used tires on Marketplace, which I found some. And so I want to put them on so that this can just not sit on those rolly stands anymore. I managed to pick up a used electronic digital wheel balancer, and I have a manual tire changer, so I'll be able to use that. Here's the used tires I picked up, and intend to put those on there. Now, further to that, since I purchased those tires, which I didn't put on yet, I was able to purchase some used, original Lada Niva wheels, the 16-inch, a set of 4. So these first two here that are more rusty, these don't hold air. And I already inflated them and put some soapy water on the bead, and I can tell the beads are leaking. So I can dismount the tire, clean up the bead, and remount them. These two hold air, so that's good. They're pretty firm rubber. They're very old. It's a very old tread pattern. I think that tread pattern is absolutely amazing. Those two tires are in a lot better condition for whatever reason. These ones are not in real good shape. So knowing that, basically my intention is the existing aluminum wheels that are on here that are 15-inch, I'm going to put those tires on and swap the tires. Those can go on the parts Niva, and then the original 16-inch Lada wheels will go on the good Niva. And one more thing here. I did buy some new lug nuts off of Amazon. These are M12 by 1.25. That's the style of lug nut you'd need if you're looking for lug nuts. Anyway, I want to keep my videos a little shorter because the last one was awfully long. So you don't need to see me jacking this up and changing the tires and all that. You know, I'm going to spare you the time. So I'll come back when there's an update. Just real quick here, I wanted to show you. I wanted to check the balance on this tire and wheel combination here before I dismount it to fix the bead. And watch this. Can you see that it's not really in round anymore? It's just so old. Kind of wobbles a little bit there as it goes. And I'm kind of expecting the same with that one. The second one's even worse. You can see the wheels bent on the inside on this one. The outside's okay. This is as good as I can get it. I'm good with that. Here they are after the first coat of paint. I just brushed it on. I'm going to apply a second coat just to have good even coverage. And I'll do the barrels a little later. All right, so the wheels and tires are done. Those two on the front there, those are the ones that I didn't touch. Those were holding air. The rear two I cleaned up with a wire wheel, hammered to straighten one of them, and then I applied 2 coats of rust paint. And I found a nail in one of the tires, and so I patched that. So it's back on the original 16-inch Steelies that it may have come with, I'm not sure. But I sure like this look. All right, so that's it for the wheels and tires video. Next up, I want to get it more ready to crank the engine over and see how it's doing.